Okay, guys, I recently received a lot of requests, people complaining about their Facebook account that was hacked, or people who their Facebook account was compromised. Someone, got access into your Facebook and changed your password, or just let's say someone hacked your Facebook account. If you have such issue, your password has been changed, your pictures has been removed, and the person changed all your pictures with his or her pictures for whatever purpose. So follow these steps. If you follow the steps I'm going to teach you, you wouldn't have to call me all the time to assist you. Just follow these steps to recover any of your Facebook accounts that was recently hacked or compromised. So the first thing I want you to do is to go to your browser and type in Facebook hacked account. Facebook hacked account, then click enter. Facebook hacked account. Don't worry, it's going to change. It's gonna get us to what we are looking for. So if you've clicked that, you come here, you look at report compromised account. If you look very well, you will see it right here on my screen, report compromised account. Click on report compromised account. Once it opens up, you come to this place, see the place written cancel, then another place written my account is compromised. Just click on my account is compromised and wait for it to load. Okay, once you get to this place, what you need to do is to type in your email or the phone number you used in opening your Facebook account. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to type in my phone number 08000. Just type in the phone number you used in opening your account. Let me get the phone number I used for this account. Just a minute, guys. Okay, I'm going to type in the phone number I used in opening the account. Make sure you type in your own correctly. Once you do that, click on search. So here you see current or old password. Just type in your old password because you don't know your current password, the one that has been changed. Just type in your old password. Your old password, I'm going to type in one of the password and click on continue. Automatically it has logged me in. I've been logged in automatically. I've recovered my Facebook account, my Facebook hacked account. So you see, so here they're asking me if you're worried about the security of your account, we can help you. I found a post messaging this. So once you get to this place, just click on continue. You've recovered your Facebook account. I hope this tutorial solves your problem. If you know it solves your problem, please share it so that other people can also watch this video and learn from it, so that we can help one another solve our problems. Okay, guys.